Good morning everybody and welcome to another day of lockdown. It's day 90. So last night or yesterday evening it was very pleasant, nice and warm. It was quite a nice evening and I realised that I still had some cocktail sausages left in the fridge that were getting, they'd gone a few days over the sell-by date. So I thought, do you know what? I'm just going to chop it all up and just tonight, just put the wildlife camera out just to get rid of the cocktail sausages. So that's exactly what I did. And of course, it absolutely hoofed it down in the night. So there's been a lot of rain in the night. So I'm not expecting much, to be honest. But that's where we're going now. I'm going to go and collect the camera. And then once I've done that, I'm off to work. So yeah, right, we'll go and collect the camera, see if there's anything on it, and then we'll have to head back. Right, I've just checked the camera. Initially I thought, oh, 18 clips, that's good. But then I realised that because I've not used the camera for a while, I'd forgotten to delete all the previous clips off the SD card. So there is one clip on there which I can just see the fox on. There's another one where all the screen's wet, so you can't see anything on that. Somebody has walked past the camera late on. Maybe walking the dog. Other than that, not a great deal. All the bait's gone, so at least that didn't go to waste. Right, I'm heading back now and then I'm off to work. If there's any clips to show you, I'll just tag them on the end of part 1 and we'll see you in part 2 of the episode. Good afternoon everybody and welcome to day 91 of lockdown. It's the second part of the episode and as you may have already seen, we struck lucky with the one-off wildlife camera placement. In previous videos I have got footage of what I thought was a young fox, but this was definitely a young fox. It was a cub, it was small, it was jumping around all over the place, and yeah, definitely a cub. And that's the first bit of footage I've ever got of a proper cub. So yeah, I was really pleased about that. It was only one clip, it was only 30 seconds long, but that'll do for me. I'm well happy with that. So now that I've run out of cocktail sausages, I'm going to have to go out and restock and maybe put the camera back there at some point to see if we can get a few more images. If this is your first time visiting the channel, then welcome along. It's always good to have new subscribers leaving their comments and views. We've got a lot going on at the moment with the lockdown videos, so there's always going to be something to watch. So if you are new to the channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. There will be a link, as always, as the regulars know. There's a link at the end that you can click on as well to subscribe. And for those of you that have been watching on a regular basis and still haven't subscribed, then again, please click on that subscribe button down below, or the one at the end of the video. I really appreciate it and it really does make a difference. So this afternoon you can see that I've made a little bit more effort with my hair. I hadn't realised how bad it was yesterday morning. I literally climbed out of bed, got changed and went out. So I do apologise for that. But there's nobody about, so not to worry. So this is a plant I've been noticing on a regular basis over the last couple of weeks, and I had no idea what this is, but I've been using the plant identification app, PlantNet, and this now gives me a bit more idea as to what this may be, and in future when I spot this one I'll have a better idea of what I'm looking at. Ladybird number 3. Could this be the start of the outbreak? So the countdown's well and truly on now to day 100. I hope you can stay with us to that one. And if you enjoyed today's video, then please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, then please click on the icon just here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next episode. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.